Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the cable on your Dyson vacuum can seem daunting, but with the right tools and instructions, you can do it yourself. First, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Make sure your vacuum is unplugged before starting. Begin by removing the canister from the vacuum body. To do this, locate the release button on the top of the canister and press it to detach. Once the canister is removed, set it aside in a safe location. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the panel covering the cable connection. This panel is typically located near the base of the vacuum. Carefully remove the screws and place them in a container to avoid losing them. With the screws removed, gently pull the panel away from the vacuum body. You'll now see the cable connected to the vacuum's motor. Take note of how the existing cable is routed, as you'll want to replicate this when installing the new cable. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable close to the connection point. Make sure to strip the ends of the new cable to expose the copper wiring. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have peace of mind during your repair. Now, take the new cable and connect it to the motor. Wrap the stripped copper ends around the corresponding terminals and secure them tightly. It's crucial to ensure a solid connection to avoid any issues later on. Once connected, carefully route the new cable through the same path as the previous one. This step is important for the vacuum's functionality and safety. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this process, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you can have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. After routing the cable, replace the panel over the motor connection and use your Phillips screwdriver to secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Ensure everything is tight and secure. Next, reattach the canister by aligning it with the vacuum body and pressing it down until you hear a click. This indicates that it's properly secured. Finally, plug in your Dyson vacuum and test it to ensure that the new cable is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions about any further repairs needed. Regular maintenance and repair are vital for the longevity of your vacuum. Cleaning the filters and checking for blockages can help maintain optimal performance. If you ever feel overwhelmed by repairs, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. No calls, no travel, just convenient solutions at your fingertips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.